Welcome back. I'm Sarah Deshaw, blogger and online educator for entrepreneurs over at sarahdeshaw.com. In today's video, we're going to talk all about how to create a sparkly video like this. If you love glamorous effects and you want to use the same app celebrities and influencers are using to create this effect in their Instagram stories, you're definitely going to want to keep watching. The app we're going to use is Kirakira. A quick disclaimer, it's not a free app, but it's just 99 cents and this isn't sponsored. I just think it's really cool and I think it's worth it and I think you're totally going to love it. So let me start by saying Kirakira is so easy to use. I think you'll pick up on it really quickly. So after you download it, open the app to take a video or a picture with either the front or rear facing camera, or you can upload a picture or video you've already taken into the app. Right here is where you swap the camera from front facing to rear facing. And this is where you can select video, photo, or upload content you've already created. To choose what kind of sparkles you'd like to add to your content, simply swipe left or right through the options and then use the record or capture button to record a video or take a photo. If you uploaded content you've already taken, it'll load the filter on top of your content. If you want to add or decrease the amount of sparkles in your photo, you can adjust the intensity on the vertical slider on the upper right-hand side. Kirakira works by finding anything remotely shiny in the image and making it super sparkly, so you'll get the best results by capturing something that reflects light or shines a lot of light. It's really fun to play around with, and if you open the app and just pan your surroundings and watch your screen, you'll get a play-by-play of what the most sparkly things to capture are. Whenever you take a picture or record a video with Kirakira, it'll be automatically saved to your camera roll, so this makes it super easy to capture the content to post it later. And it's as simple as that. So take a picture, apply a filter, and upload to enjoy some seriously sparkly and glamorous Instagram stories. If you want some more help and direction on how to take your Instagram visuals to the next level, check out my free PDF guide called Indoor Lighting for Instagrammers. This guide will help you get your indoor pictures looking so good. You can sign up to have this guide sent straight to your inbox by going to sarahdeshaw.com/indoor-lighting. I'll also place a link to this freebie in the area below this video so you can access it really easily. Leave a comment below letting me know what other edits you'd like me to make a video tutorial on. I'm here to help you create awesome on-brand content for your brand, so let me know how I can help you. Until my next video, if you'd like to check out some of the videos I've already created, click on one of these two videos over here. I love to share about things like on-brand content creation, marketing, mindset, and all of the goodness surrounding modern entrepreneurship. And you can click on this icon over here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I see you again, I hope you have a really great week. I hope to see you again very soon.